Hello students, today we are going to study exercise 4.2 first question. Find the roots of the following quadratic equations by factorization. First question, x square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. We have to find the roots of the equation, that is value of x, isn't it? Since it is having degree 2, there are two values for x. Now for factorization, we have to take the polynomial x square minus 3x minus 10. Now, coefficient of x square is 1. So, product of two numbers should be equal to 1 into 10. 1 into 10 equal to 10. That is, product of two numbers equal to 1 into 10. 10. And here the sign is minus. Therefore, after subtracting that two numbers, we have to get minus 3. We have to get minus 3. Okay. Product of two numbers should be equal to 1 into 10. That is equal to 10. Since the last sign is minus, when you subtract the same numbers, we have to get minus 3. Okay. Now the number to find the numbers, we have 1 into 10 equal to 10. But after subtraction, it is 9. 2 into 5 equal to 10. 2 into 5 equal to 10. Subtracting 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Since we have to get minus 3, put the larger one as minus and the smaller one as plus. Now minus 5 plus 2 gives minus 5 plus 2 equal to minus 3, isn't it? Now splitting middle term, we get x square minus 5x plus 2x, isn't it? Minus 5 and plus 2. So x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. Now taking common factor from the first two terms, we get x is the common factor in first two. X square by x we get x, minus 5x by x is minus 5. 2 and 10 common factor 2. Therefore by taking plus 2 outside, here the sign is plus 2 outside, we get again in within bracket x minus 5, that is equal to 0. Okay. X minus 5, that is x minus 5 into x plus 2 equal to 0. We have x minus 5 is the first factor. Therefore, x minus 5 should be equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. That gives x equal to plus 5 or x equal to minus 5. Therefore, the roots of the equations are plus 5 and minus 2. It's not plus 5. Here it is minus 2. X plus 2 equal to 0 means x equal to minus 2. Therefore, the solutions are 5 and minus 2. Okay, minus 2. 5 and minus 2. 5 and minus 2. Second question. 2x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. Polynomial is 2x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0 plus x minus 6 equal to 0. Now product of two numbers should be equal to 2 into 6. That is product equal to 12. Since the last sign is minus, when you subtract the same numbers, you have to get, here the coefficient is 1. Therefore, after subtracting, we have to get plus 1, isn't it? Plus 1. Now, numbers 1 into 12 gives 12, but after subtracting, we get 11. 2 into 6 equal to 12. 6 minus 2, 4. 3 into 4 equal to 12. Subtracting 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Since we have to get plus 1, put the larger one as plus 4 and smaller minus. 4 minus 3 gives plus 1. Okay. Therefore, by splitting middle term, we get 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. First to 2 and 4 common factor, smaller one, that is 2. X square and x common factor, x. Dividing 2x square by x, after cancellation we get x plus here 4 by 2 equal to 2, x get cancelled. So it is x plus 2. Now here the sign is minus and 3 and 6 common factor 3. Dividing 3x by 3 we get x. Here since we are taking minus outside, sign will change and we get 6 by 3, that is 2, x plus 2, that is equal to 0. Okay. X plus 2 equal to 0. That is x plus 2 is the common factor, x plus 2 into 2x minus 3, that is equal to 0. X plus 2 into first remaining 2x. When you take x plus 2 outside, second remaining minus 3. That is first factor x plus 2 should be equal to 0 or second factor 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Here x equal to minus 2 and 2x equal to 3 or x equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, the solution is x equal to minus 2 and x equal to 3 by 2. Third one, root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Sorry. Root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2. Root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2. Product equal to root 2 into 5 root 2. Root 2 into root 2 equal to 2. 2 into 5 equal to 10. Product of two numbers equal to 10. Here the sign is plus. So when you add same numbers, we have to get plus 7. 2 into 1 into 10, 10. But after addition, you get 11. 2 into 5 equal to 10. And 2 plus 5 equal to 7. So here we have to get some, after adding the numbers we have to get plus 7. So the numbers are plus 2 and a plus 5. Plus 2 plus 5 gives plus 7. Now here when you write root 2x square plus 2x plus second term 5. 5x plus 5 root 2, that is equal to 0. Taking common factor here, root 2 and 2. 2 is same as root 2 into root 2, isn't it? 2 equal to root 2 into root 2. Therefore, by taking root 2 outside and x square and x common factor, x, root 2x. Taking root 2x as common factor, when you divide the first term, only remaining is x. Plus, here 1 root 2 will be there, x plus root 2. Plus 5x and 5 root 2x. Common factor 5. First one remaining x, second remaining root 2. That is equal to 0. Okay. That is x plus root 2. X plus root 2 into first remaining root 2x plus second remaining 5. That is equal to 0. First factor x plus root 2 equal to 0 gives x equal to minus root 2. Second factor root 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Therefore, root 2x equal to minus 5 or x equal to minus 5 by root 2. Minus 5 divided by root 2. So, the solutions are minus root 2 and minus 5 by root 2. Fourth question, 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 equal to 0. 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is the polynomial, quadratic polynomial. Product of two numbers should be equal to 2 into 1 by 8. Product equal to 2 into 1 by 8, that is equal to 1 by 4. 2 and 8 cancels, you get 1 by 4. Since the last sign is plus, when you add the same numbers, we have to get minus 1, isn't it? That is, after addition, we have to get our sum equal to minus 1. Now, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 gives 1 by 4. Since we have to get minus 1, put minus, minus. After addition means both are having same sign. Minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 gives minus 1, isn't it? After addition, minus 1. Substituting, here we get 2x square minus 1 by 2x minus 1 by 2x plus 1 by 8 equal to 0. Here 2 and 1 by 2. We have to take the smaller one outside, that is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 comes outside. X square and x, common factor x. Now multiplying, when you divide, we get here it is 4, isn't it? Since we are taking 1 by 2 outside, this will become 4. 4 into x, 4x. Check it. 2 and 4 get cancels, you get 2. X into x, x square, isn't it? Minus 1. Half x we are taking common factor. Therefore, it is 4x minus 1. Now 1 by 2 and 1 by 8. Smaller one is 1 by 8. Since it is having minus sign, minus 1 by 8 we are taking outside. First remaining it is how much? We have to get 1 by 2. Therefore it is 4x. It will be same as first bracket, that is 4x minus 1, that is equal to 0. 4x minus 1 is common. After taking 4x minus 1 outside, first remaining half x, and second remaining minus 1 by 8, that is equal to 0. 4x minus 1 equal to 0 gives 4x equal to 1 and x equal to 1 by 4. Okay, x equal to 1 by 4. Second factor should be equal to 1 means half x minus 1 by 8 equal to 0. That is half x equal to 1 by 8 or x equal to 1 by 8 into taking reciprocal we get 2. That is equal to 1 by 4. After cancellation we get 1 by 4. So first factor x equal to first solution x equal to 1 by 4, and second one is also x equal to 1 by 4. This is the required solution. Okay. Fifth question, 100x square minus 20x plus 1 equal to 0. 100x square minus 20x plus 1. Product equal to 100 into 1. Product equals 100. Last sign plus. Therefore, adding the same numbers, we have to get minus 20. 1 into 100 gives 100. 2 into 50, but it will become 52. 2 into 50, 52 after addition. 4 into 25 gives 100. It will become 29. 5 into 20, 25, but we have to get minus 20. So it is 10 into 10. 10 into 10 equal to 100. 10 plus 10 equal to 20. So since we have to get minus 20, the sign will be minus 10 and minus 10 respectively. Okay. Now here factorizing, we get 100x square. By splitting middle term, 20 will become minus 10x plus 1 equal to 0. 110 common factor 10. X square and x, we have to take x outside. 100x square by 10x, we get 10x. 10x by 10x, it is minus 1 time 1. Now since there is no common factor, take here the sign is minus 1 as common factor. Then it will become 10x minus 1, that is equal to 0. 10x minus 1 equal to 0. Minus 10 into x minus 10x, minus into minus, it will become plus 1. That is 10x minus 1 common factor into first remaining 10x, second remaining minus 1, that is equal to 0. Therefore, we get 10x minus 1 equal to 0, or second 10x minus 1 equal to 0. That is x equal to 1 by 10. X equals 1 by 10. Second, 10x equal to 1 or x equal to 1 by 10. So the solutions are 1 by 10 and 1 by 10 respectively. Okay, thank you.